All right, Kurt. Now, Global Hemp Group is obviously a big supporter of building with hemp. Can you tell us some of the benefits of doing that?
Absolutely. The thing about hemp building material is that it's a mixture of the inner woody core with a lime binder and water, and it adds a lot of properties that are really conducive to the building itself. For example, it's mold resistant, it's pest resistant, it's antibacterial properties, so it protects that way. You have an opportunity, it actually breathes. So in times of, say, excess moisture in the atmosphere or inside the house, it will actually absorb the moisture into the wall. And in drier times, it will release it back out again. And so what happens there is that you will moderate the temperature inside your building. And the great benefit to that is it keeps the temperature much more even in terms of more moderate, doesn't have the fluctuations, which translates to lesser energy costs, because what you're going to do is spend less money on heating and less money on cooling. And so, there's that aspect. But one of the most interesting things that I've found is that it's also fire resistant, and it probably doesn't get enough press in that regard. And if your listeners go online and look for, and even just Google something as simple as hempcrete and fire resistance, you'll see all sorts of videos where they take hemp blocks or hemp buildings and expose it to direct flame, propane torches, and very hot flame, and for an extended period of time. I'm not talking kind of brush against it. I'm talking a direct flame for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and what you end up with is just a modest charring on the outside. And I saw a video just the other day, as a matter of fact, where a hempcrete block that was reasonably thin, it was about 2 inches, 3 inches. They had the direct torch on one side and the gentleman's hand was on the other. And it sat there for, and didn't, there was no burn through, no singeing, no nothing. So it's a great product in that regard.